came to me, said she knew me, said she'd known me a long time. And she spoke of being in love with every mountain she had climbed. And she talked of trails she walked up far above the timberline. From that night on, I knew I'd write songs with Carolina in the pines. There's a new moon on the 14th, first quarter the 21st, and a full moon in the last week brings a fullness to this earth. There's no guesswork in the clockwork of the world's heart or mind. There are nights I only feel right with Carolina.
Oh my goodness, folks, look at the first one of the day. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just in here at the foot end. But we are just right below the dam here, and that's 2,800 cubic feet of whoop ass pumping out of there. What we're going to do, we're going to come meet you first before we embark on our Class 1 to Class 5 whitewater adventure. Let's do it. All right, we got some returning guests with Jimmy and some new faces. How is everyone this morning? Are you ready?
Good. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Good. I'm not even talking about the river. Woo. Jimmy? And we got Mercer and his motley crew. Sir, you don't have any shoes. You have no shoes. Does that worry you at all? It worries me none. How about you, Gomer? What's up?
What up, Joe?
How my right side doing? Nothing. Swim them all.
We're going rafting.
Yeah, Dan Kane crew. How is everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, slacker, pick it up. Don't drag my boat. You ready for this?
Ready.
How about you? You ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, we'll see you downstream. Well, gang, we've met your guides. Important part on today's adventure for sure. We just met you. What am I? The river. Right behind me. You saw it earlier. We're really going to meet it downstream at our big first Class 5 of the day. Let's see it. And there she is, folks, our first big one of the day, Insignificant. And folks, this one is far from that. There is tons of consequence. Let me point out how you're going to run this one here today, hopefully. You'll start by picking your way up top, maybe running that big old hole. If you have any bit of left or right hand angle, though, you're going to wish you didn't. And then you'll keep coming on down, hopefully dropping the center of this ledge, avoiding this nasty undercut right here. Guppies, if you were in the water, you want to swim, swim, swim away from that. Good luck. Awesome job, Sanjay. Way to style this very technical Class 5. Now it's time to get to the world famous Pillow Rock. And look at it, folks. That is Pillow Rock in all her glory. One of the most photographed rapids in the world. Yes, the world. You're gonna start way up top there, chugging along, chugging along, chugging along, hopefully missing a little bit of inertia, and then powering right up onto the rock, getting a big pillow ride, and then coming on down. Volkswagen Rock could pose a little bit of a problem, because going off the left or right side of it is bad, especially the left side there. That is toilet bowl. If you go over that, you are going deep.
Somebody left you in a rut and wants to be the one who's in control. But the feeling that you're under can really make you wonder how the hell she could be so cold. So now you're left denying the truth, and it's hidden in the wisdom in the back of your tooth. You need to spit it out in the telephone blues while you call everyone that you know and ask them, where do you think she goes? Oh yeah, where do you suppose she goes? Oh, the truth where you know there's no stopping it, and the bone where you know she's still rocking it. The bone where you know it's still rocking it, and the truth there you know there's no stopping it. You recognize the effect and the fact that it's causing when she rocks the boat, but it's the cause.
Nice job there, Dave. Man, you stood it up and kept it up. Well done, sir. You got some people joining the new Gauley swim team. So what we're going to do now is get on down to one of our longest, most continuous ones of the day, Lost Paddle. And there it is, our longest one of the day. It is a 4-part series, starting with the first drop up top, and then Hawaii 550. Yes, it is one of the biggest standing waves here on the Gauley, and this is the second drop. And as you can see, you and all this current are going to go piling into that big wave, continuing on, hopefully avoiding 6-pack rock there in the middle. Flipping off of that will swim you down into third, and then fourth drop potentially. Fourth drop being tumble home, one of these scarier sections, and the last part of this big old rapid. So let's see what you do.
Watching the clouds roll by, wishing I could fly away. Oh, this energy, I let it pass me by. Another wasted day. I'll turn around. I'm turning upside down.
gang. Y'all definitely should that wave who's boss, knocking the bottom out of it. Time to get on down though to our next big whitewater attraction. I will see you there. And what you see before me is Iron Ring, another one of our big technical class 5s. It looks short, yes, but it is mean, mean, mean. You've got a top hole you need to navigate through, and then push into the river right side to avoid Woodstock Hole there. That rock there is actually an undercut. All the water is pouring under into a nasty cave. You want to stay out of there. My goodness, Songer, you are showing everyone else how it's truly done here. Clean, clean, clean from top to bottom there at Iron Ring. So, as sad as it is, it's time to get to our last one of the day, but it is the most vertically dropped beat on the whole river. Sweets Falls, yay! Oh, I'm sitting here in the Coliseum of Carnage just waiting for you to come on down. That's where you're going to be dropping your little piece of... That, however, though, is dildo. You do not want to hit it for your sake, but for me, I would go for it. We got some action over here. Let's check it out in the cave. And here it is. It just flushed through, but hopefully we'll see you take you and your little boats right on down in. Good luck, little guppies.
First we get some surgery, lose the kids and our identities. One thing I know for a fact, mustache stays right where it's at. Oreos be wagging, Kansas to Boston. My ankle bracelets already gone and lost it. Them yellow jackets keep the tired man from slacking. Stole my Camaro from a grave, took my suitcase on my bed. Ain't got no taillights, grill full of fun. How could you do this to a man so close to being cured? We should get together, talk it over at the Detroit. Delaware destroyers, rocking with docking. You front the money and I'll do all the talking. Them yellow jackets keep the tired man from slacking. Took my suitcase on my bed, stole my Camaro from a grave, took my suitcase on my bed. Ain't got no taillights, grill full of fun. How could you do this to a man so close to being cured?
that'll do it for us here at Sweet Falls. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get on down, eat a little bit of lunch, check in with you and see how your day has gone. And we've got one of our guests right here hanging out by the side of the bus. Yeah, hi. How'd everyone do today? Yeah, fun's over, quiet down.